I'm Stormy with First Choice HVAC and Plumbing, here to inspect and clean out a customer's drain line. Alright, so we have a customer's drain line today that's backing up and dripping out of the side of his home. So what we do here is we locate the sink or where the drain line goes to, block it off so that no debris comes up out of the sink when we apply high pressure to the drain lines. Now we're going to go up into the attic, cut the drain lines loose, and blow CO2 through the drain lines. Alright, so what we're going to do here on this drain line, since this is a maintenance customer of ours, we're going to be cutting this drain line loose right here and installing this shutoff right here so that in the future when he gets clogs or when we do his maintenance, we're able to just shut this off here, blow this out through his drain line, clear his drain line, and make sure that this doesn't happen again. So right now I'm going to go ahead and cut this drain line loose and install our shutoff valve. So I'm trying to get the water to quit coming out of this cabinet. It's just steady dripping out real slow. You don't want this kind of glue to get wet at all. It causes it to coagulate and it can leak from that fitting if you don't get the pipe completely dry. Now I will take a CO2 gun . And we can blow it out right here. You hear it pushing through. All right, so we're all done here. Got the drain lines cut loose. We cleared the drain lines out. I typically recommend to all of our customers is to regularly treat this vent right here with a half a cup of bleach or a half a cup of white vinegar at least twice a year, at the beginning of the cooling season and about halfway through the cooling season. We are going to be getting back with this customer to come back out here and replace this rusted drain pan that you can see has corrosion going up it, and to repipe the secondary drain line and the primary drain line and replace this float switch to put it right here. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.